That's where the trophy gas. It's the propane.
Some car it's using propane for driving, yeah?
Some cars, yes. A lot of cars here are using propane because the Dominican, like especially the taxis, convert their cars to propane. It's cheaper.
The hospital, private hospital.
Okay, this is good hospital?
Well, it's good for emergency stuff. Yeah.
MRI.
You have insurance with this hospital?
Well, our insurance is anywhere. But we can go to that hospital with our insurance.
But you say me like insurance like $150 for both of you per
No,
month?
it's cheaper than that.
Cheaper than that?
It's 5,600 pesos, so it's $100 US
What
for the two of us.
they included dental?
Yeah.
And cleaning, teeth cleaning,
Yeah.
included too?
Yeah.
There's another
Like
one.
couple times per year?
Yeah, you
We like
well
it
you
there.
pay when you go and you pay. You pay for if you don't have insurance for teeth cleaning, you pay 2,000 pesos, which is
$40.
$40. If you have insurance, it'll cost you 1,000 pesos, so it's $20. The rest is covered by insurance.
Okay, I got it. It's nice. It's like in Yalta, which is Russia occupied, you know?
No wait. There's no wait.
Very nice.
Wild, but
Yeah.
not like in
No.
It's beautiful, Monica. Thank you very much for this trip. It's very beautiful.
Well, I love it.
So the airport of Puerto Plata is between here and the mountain, and that's Puerto Plata.
Yes.
Yeah. So over there's a restaurant, Stevens Cafe. It's one of our favorites. We
And
love
then
coming
you're
there.
overlooking
Yeah.
this beauty.
How sun going down? You can see I watch some movie from.
No, beautiful.
Julieta, it's big. Can you do pictures from me and just like how it's it's here. Do you have your camera? It's better.
My cameras are better.
Yeah, it's mean like
Oh yeah.
Monica. Yeah.
Hair, facial,
Hair.
campo, and do whatever.
Yeah. There's spas. I go for facials. Have my hairdresser in Cabaretry, but there's hairdressers everywhere. You can go for massage. We have yoga. We have Zumba, Pilates.
We are almost there, yeah?
You want direct Sosua Beach?
Yeah, Sosua Beach just leave. I don't know how much time we spend there, but we will walk back forward to see something. Just to explore, to see the town. Not anything particularly we plan to buy. And all your friends, all family, it's not too many people who say, I will do not do any vaccination, yeah? Is these people like that too?
We have like over like 70% of people vaccinated already. And some people are like, you know, I don't want to take the vaccine. You know, some people are like, but the government now they push.
Some people avoid vaccination, yeah? Not let go to the plane if you don't have double vaccination.
They're gonna go all over the world. All government gonna start tough with this.
We had the same in Canada. You cannot go to movie theater, to sport game, to gym. You know, if you don't have a double vaccination, they do not let you go. Not in a restaurant.
That's good. I think it's good. That's the only way that you can feel it without sickness.
Yeah. Yeah, to screw up everybody. You know, everybody screw up. We stay like at home, you know, for the long time. Now we're going straight or left, yeah?
Left. Straight to Alicia Beach.
Alicia Beach over there, yeah?
Ah, you know that, right?
We've been on Alicia Beach. Our friend drive in first day show us, but we just, you know, we just by car, you know, and we didn't see anything. I want to walk here, you know, talk, to see something. Maybe have a beer, you know, somewhere.
Let's say you 2 hours, you need here at least 2 hours.
I don't know, man. 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. I have no.
That's why we don't know what to do.
Okay,
Yeah.
if you have my number, you can write me in WhatsApp and I pick you up.
On WhatsApp, yeah? Okay. It's a good idea.
You got +1 in my number.
Yeah. One in WhatsApp, yeah, WhatsApp. Okay. It's Wi-Fi everybody, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, you're cool.
Car here it's a little bit expensive than in Canada. In Canada you can buy cheaper car.
No, but you should buy in Sosua Cabarete. Or if you want, they come to live here. I can take you to Moco, Santiago, where all the car dealers are, and you can get a good price. Okay, my friend. We go the way to the Sosua Beach.
Yeah.
Here, and you can. It's easy way to.
Exactly.
And in case you call me, that would be the point where we're gonna meet.
What's here? This place. Okay. Дивіться, боже, яка ця машина, скільки їй років, дивіться, воно ще їздить. Це років 30 їй. Між іншим, ці автомобілі Toyota, які робили тоді 30 років назад, то вони крепкі дуже, вони дуже такі крепкі були. Качество було. Зараз нема такого качества вже ні в чому. Навіть не знаю, чи це мені платить $600, щоб зробити цей боді whatever спрей промраз, чи купити 2 балончика і забризкати, розумієш? Що ти думаєш?
Я, Санечка, тебе просто ничего. Там цього річ, що тут виступають, а це з другої сторони ця річ. I think we need to do it. I think so. Yeah.
Можна спитати в цей вумен, може.
Сонечко сховалося і тут звідти вода стала.
Ocean can have different color, very different color. Ага, сюди треба йти. Значить, треба по тій стороні йти. Переходимо тут. Тримайся за руку. Сюди переходимо. Каже, пора таксі брати, вже хватить мені екскурсії. This is Sosua main street. Це була помилка, це треба було сюди приїхати пізніше. Треба сюди було приїхати, коли жари немає. 5 часов приїхати, знаєш?
Alles klar. Gut für die beiden.
Ти знаєш, хороше місце, подивіться. Hola, are you cab driver? Julieta, we are leaving this place?
Cabaretti, tangerine.
Tangerine. What's the price?
It's 15 US.
No, Dominican.
Hola.
Hola. Tangerine.
Yes.
What's the price?
15 US.
Say Dominican.
850 pesos.
Like a 700.
850 pesos.
850 pesos? Or 800?
Let's pay 800.
I pay 800. Anyway, okay. No, we get. Oh. No, because it's too high.
You come on
Okay,
the side.
move there. Sorry, I didn't get what you said. But anyway, I had enough videos today
Okay.
from your beautiful place.